Hey everybody, okay, and welcome to day number 35. So that's 35. We've got our final sanding happened this morning, and you know, a couple of y'all asked me what it was if I used the pole sander to do the final sanding, and I did show the little foam brush. It was a contour brush by 3M, and so here's a quick little video of just how I go about and I do my final sanding. And as you can just simply see, it's just really a matter of, you have to have the right lights, of course, because you're going to be able to see. And at this stage, everything just kind of blends into itself. But then, you got to just really feel it out. Now I'm wearing latex gloves here, which are pretty good because they allow your hands just to kind of slide over the plaster. And then when I do feel a bump or an imperfection, and then that's when I take the contour sander and then I just sand it out. So that's pretty much, you just kind of do that the whole way. And then this is your very final sanding. So you really want to take your time to make sure you do it right. And then, okay, so then now that we got our final sanding done this morning, we know the wall was absolutely dry. We hit it really quick with a brush and a vacuum, so we did a shop vac and we picked up as much dust as we can because that plastic dust, as we said, it goes everywhere. And now we've got our primer coating on it. So here's what we're doing for colors here. So we did a bare primer and sealer. So this is specific for drywall and plaster, and I'll tell you, we went through almost this entire 5-gallon bucket because the plaster just sucks up the paint so much. So this is one coat, and we started in all the corners. We did all our edging first, and then we just put the primer on. Now we're going to give this a full day to dry because it's really important it dries. And then this is what I like to call the blank canvas, because we're just ready for color here. But it's not going to really be too much color because it's going to be a symphony of whites. When we're looking at a very narrow space like this, for sure, we don't want to go with too many dark colors. So we're going to do a color palette from what we see inside the house and specifically inside the kitchen. And that's from Benjamin Moore. And so we're going to take those and we're going to use those colors to kind of bring it in here. So it's just going to be your flat, regular ceiling paint up there, and then it's going to be a white or an off-white. That's going to be on the walls, and then it's going to be white trim, white doors. And then the owner's really thinking of doing a pop of color on these two doors here, which I think would be a great idea. And so we're going to prime those and get those ready and kind of live with the space a little bit, just to kind of make sure that it's going to go with the tiles. It's going to kind of bring the whole area together. So that's it, blank canvas, ready for our symphony of white come Monday. And yeah, you can check it out. And thanks for asking about how I do some things. I'll put up some more tutorials as I figure out how to use this GoPro a little bit better and not make everybody seasick or nauseous with those headshot videos. So thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you all next time.